Hello there, learners! How are you today? Can you feel the heat too? You know it's not like this before. Well, let's find out what causes this extreme heat we are feeling today. I am Teacher Queen, and join me as we learn about global warming. Global warming is the term used to describe the rising of the temperature on Earth. In other words, it's the process of our entire planet heating up. In the last century, the Earth was warmed by an average of 1 degree Celsius, which might not sound like a significant change, but it would have a big impact on the people and animals around the globe at present and in the future. It is assumed that by the end of the 21st century, global warming is likely to cause an increase in the Earth's temperature of around 2 to 5 degrees Celsius, and this change in climate will make our weather more unpredictable, forcing many species into extinction and making life much harder. But the important question is, what causes global warming? Well, the factor responsible for the change in climate is a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Since the Industrial Revolution, humans have been burning large amounts of fossil fuels such as oil and gas, producing huge clouds of carbon dioxide. The gases released into the atmosphere during this process act like an invisible blanket, trapping heat from the sun and warming the Earth. This is known as the greenhouse effect. Not only that, deforestation is another huge reason for global warming. As we all know, trees absorb huge amount of carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen back into it. But sadly, many rainforests are being cut down by humans to make furniture, paper, and to clear the way for roads, oil miners, dams, and habitation. So due to a decrease in the number of trees and forests, the carbon dioxide remains in the atmosphere, adding fuel to the fire and warming the globe. And if this continues, there will be severe consequences as a warmer climate could affect our planet in many ways. But the most crucial question is, how do you prevent global warming and how can you contribute towards saving the planet? Well, you don't have to do anything big. Tiny changes in your own home can make a difference too. For example, try switching your normal bulb into energy-saving light bulbs. Take a walk or bicycle instead of using the car for short distance. Always turn off the electrical items when you are not using them, and most importantly, recycle and reduce your food waste. All these little things can help lessen the emission of heat-trapping gases that causes global warming. So, are you ready to get fried in the future? If no, then help reduce global warming. I hope you learned something today. Until then, bye!